Hello everyone, this is the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi 20,000 milliampere power bank 2C. It supports dual charging and is brand new Xiaomi power bank for 2018. I just received this from AliExpress. It costs $24. As you can see, there's another box inside, and this is the original box. 20,000 milliampere hours. So this one should allow you to charge your iPhone 7 times, or iPad Mini 2.3 times. We will see how good it performs with Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, and I will post a follow-up later on YouTube. So let's open it and see what's inside. It's probably without charger, just cable, but that's the thing with most of the things from China, that you only get a cable instead of charger. That way they reduce costs. So here is a small manual in Chinese, but I guess this thing shouldn't be too hard to operate. And here's the power bank, and yeah, short flat cable, very nice. So let's unwrap this one. It's pretty heavy. As you can see here, it's got 2 ports for charging and 1 port to charge it. It says 20,000 here, and that's about it. There's a button here, and when I pressed it, you see that the LED started blinking. The LED should indicate the power level of the power bank. I hope that it's charged at least up to a half or something. Okay, so let's try and connect this one. So, as you can see, the light is blinking. It probably means that it's charging. Okay, so here it is, and let's try connecting a USB cable. And we'll connect this to S8 Plus, and we'll see how it charges. As you can see, it says fast charge. Right here, fast charging. So this baby is able to deliver fast charge to your devices. Thank you for watching.